Hey, good morning. Today I have to run 3 miles and do a 7-minute workout. I wasn't sure I was going to do anything today because my legs still kind of sore from the 9-minute mile 2 days ago, and all the conferencing. But sometimes you gotta suck it up. Sometimes you gotta stop complaining, and you gotta be a gender. You know what I'm saying? Be a gender. Or a sex. Or whatever you want to call it. So, here we go. We're going to do a 7-minute workout outside. Because China's sleeping inside. And people are going to walk by. It's going to be awkward, probably. That'll be fun. Let's do this. Alright. Someone sneezed. I better get out of here before I catch whatever they have. Gotta run 3 miles. Birds, 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 birds.